Want to limit sprinting or special moves in your Roblox game? Let's build a stamina system in under 90 seconds. Add stamina values. In starter character scripts, insert a local script and create a number value like this. This tracks the player's stamina. Set up keybind and drain. Now let's make it drain when holding shift. Regenerate stamina. Add stamina regen with a loop. You can tweak speed, drain, and regen timing. And that's how you do stamina system in Roblox Studio. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tutorials about Roblox and other programs like this. See you in the next video.